Next we are discussing taxonomic hierarchy. What do you mean by taxonomical hierarchy? The classification of living organism is a step-by-step process. Okay, so various group of organisms used in classification are called taxa. In singular, it is known as taxon. So, taxon is a classificatory unit of any rank. The arrangement of taxa constitute the taxonomical hierarchy. So here I gave one flowchart. So in this, species is a one taxa, means taxon. Genus another taxon. Family another taxon. Okay, and these taxas together form a taxonomical hierarchy. നമ്മൾ ഓർഗാനിസത്തിനെ അറേഞ്ച് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത് എങ്ങനെയാണ് അതിന്റെ ഹൈറാർക്കിയൽ ഓർഡറിൽ ക്ലിയർ so here the organisms are arranged on their hierarchical order. Lowest organism seen below the hierarchy and the highest organism seen the above level of the above the hierarchy. Okay, so the classification of living organism is a step-by-step process. Various group of organisms used in classification that are known as taxa, and this arrangement is known as taxonomical hierarchy. Okay, so this taxonomical hierarchy was put forward by Carolus Linnaeus. So it is known as Linnaean hierarchy. The hierarchical system was put forward by Carl Linnaeus. So it is known as Linnaean hierarchy. Clear it is. So the taxonomical hierarchy, the taxonomist place an organism into categories. The sequential order of categories from lower to higher rank in an ascending order, that is known as taxonomical hierarchy. The hierarchical categories from the lowest to the highest are 7 types. Okay, so here I gave, look here I am gave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, here I have given the 7. Okay, which are the 7? Species. So lowest taxon, that is species. Species, then genus, family, order, class, phylum for the animals, and division for the plants. And the next is the largest one is the kingdom. Clear it is. So species, genus, family, order, class, phylum for the animals, division for the plants, and the kingdom. So this is the correct order. Clear. In addition to this, domain, a domain after kingdom, next one is domain. It was proposed by Carl Woese. Carl Woese, C-A-R-L, Carl, W-O-E-S-E, Carl Woese. But that was not, now it is not a frequently used. We are studying this 7 hierarchy, taxonomical hierarchy. Species, genus, family, order, class, phylum, kingdom. But according to need, I am telling the name Carl Woese, he proposed the term domain. So the first one is species. Species are the fundamental taxonomical units of biological classification. Species are the units of evolution. Species is a group or a class of animals and plants having certain common and permanent characters. Suppose human are species, a type of species. So human having some characters, some similar characters. Okay. Then lion, another group of species. Tiger, another group of species. Like that. So they are populations in which gene flow occurs under natural condition. And the species have the ability to reproduce and produce the young viable offsprings. Okay. Then the next one is, next taxon, that is genus. Genus comprises a group of species that are closely related. Closely related ആയിട്ടുള്ള സ്പീഷീസുകൾ കൂടി ചേർന്നതാണ് എന്ത് ജീനസ്. ഫോർ എക്സാമ്പിൾ സൊലാനം. സൊലാനം ഈസ് എ ജീനസ് നെയിം. സൊലാനം ഈസ് എ ജീനസ് നെയിം. ഓക്കെ, സൊലാനം tuberosum. Solanum tuberosum is it's a scientific name of potato. Solanum tuberosum. Solanum melongena, brinjal. So these brinjal and tomato both belongs to the same genus Solanum. Next example is Panthera leo and Panthera tigris. Panthera is the common genus. The species name is Leo and another species name is Tigris. Panthera leo means lion. Okay. Panthera tigris means tiger. So this tiger and the lion both are two different species, but they are included in the same genus Panthera because they have closely related. They comprise some common characters. That's why they comes in the same genus. Clear it is? Okay, so here we are discussing taxonomical hierarchy. Taxonomical hierarchy is the classification of organism. Each level of classification or the unit of classification that is known as taxa in plural, singular that is taxon. The arrangement of taxa in ascending order that is known as taxonomical hierarchy. Clear it is? So instead of phylum, we are using the term division in the case of plants. Okay. Then the taxonomical hierarchy was proposed by Linnaeus. So it is known as Linnaean hierarchy. Linnaean hierarchy. Then we discuss what are species. Species are the fundamental taxonomical units. Same species or same related species comes under to the next taxa genus. Species are also the units of evolution. They have the ability to reproduce and make a viable young ones. Okay, the next taxa we will discuss in our next class. Hope all you can understand this chapter and up to this what I am taken. So here I am winding my portion. Thank you.